Okay guys, so as you can see, this tire has a direction on it. So you can see here, front use only, with the arrow going that way, right? So we know our rotor is going to go with our caliper. So this is the right side, it's going to go that way, right? So this tire is going to go this way. Direction this way, right? Clockwise. Okay, so another thing to consider is with a valve. So the valve stem here should go with the lightest part of the tire, which there's a dot here. Okay, so since the direction is going to go the other way, just go ahead and line that up like that. It's good enough. There's a dot. Just like that. Double check this way. Okay. So the dot's on the other side, so I'm going to go ahead and just mark it with some chalk over this way. And here's my dot over here, right? Okay, right now. There it is right there. Okay. Okay guys, so I like to use the old tire here so I don't scratch my rim instead of the blocks. Okay, and once again, here's your stem. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some soapy water. Line up that dot right there. And let's just see if we could use our weight. Do the jumping method. Ready? We got one side. There it is. Okay, so we got the one side on, right? Here's our dot. There's the valve. Okay, cool. That was easy. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this side. Okay. Go ahead and put your scratcher thing in here. Okay, we can see there. One there. Okay, there's two. Okay, there's three. So make sure it's lined up again to the dot. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and use my body weight. Hold this side down. Okay, let's move one over here. There's her knees now. Oh. Okay. See if we could sneak this one in here. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so we got half of it. Okay, we can just get this one side here. We're home, baby. Well, the trick is you don't want to scratch up all your rims, otherwise it'll be easier. Okay. There it is. Looks like maybe we can get this side here. Shit. Okay, got one here. Body weight. Oh, crap. Okay, that's stuck. Slide that out a little bit. Okay. Oh, crap. That was close, guys. That was close. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. Touch up my rims later. Come up again. Ooh. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, it's a little off. Maybe I could wiggle it around a little bit. Okay guys, they made it look a lot easier on that video I watched, but so I'll just go ahead and touch up these scratches with some touch-up paint. Well, that's when you do it yourself. save money, but you know, get a few little scratches here. You can't tell once you're cruising down the road. Alright. Well, now we gotta go to the gasoline stand and pop the bead because I don't have a compressor here. Okay. Well, first let's balance it. Okay, hold on.